Good morning, everyone. I wanted to take a quick moment and explain to you what you will find in your February Feats weaving kit that you pick up at the library. So if you noticed outside, you picked up a bag and then you probably picked up one of these. So this would be your weaving loom. So I just want to go over real quick what is inside of it and how you're going to use it. So you'll notice that inside of each one there's these little instruction sheets. So there's a QR scan and a PIN code scan. Either one of them you scan with your phone and it'll take you directly either to our website with all of our instructions or to Pinterest, which also has a bunch of instructions and ideas there. So the different things we included with instructions are a YouTube playlist that will walk you through individually how to get started with your loom, how to make your own loom, and then different weaving techniques that you can use along the way. So those are all really great videos. They all break it down and go really slowly. And then we also have visual instructions that have pictures if you prefer that to a video. So there's a lot of different ways that you can learn how to do this. Once you get the basic technique of weaving down, it is really just a repeating the same pattern over and over again. So it's a pretty easy technique. You'll notice, so this is one of the bigger looms that we have. There's also a bunch of instructions on how to create your own with cardboard or with a picture frame. The only thing you need to keep in mind is that the bigger the loom you get, the longer it's going to take you to weave. And then keeping in mind too that this is the main color that's included in there. And of course, the bigger you get, you might actually run out of what we've supplied you with. Any kind of string or yarn that you want to add to it, it's really a simple process to do. All you do is tie the end of this with a new string. You just tie it a couple times, make it really tight, and then in the weaving process, you'll actually end up hiding that little knot that you make. So you can add as many colors as you want to just by tying it. So it's a really easy process to do. So inside your kit, you'll have one color. That's your one main color that you're going to use to weave with. You'll also notice that you have inside of here this white kind of bundle of string. Now this is going to be used to actually weave on your loom with. So there's a really great video in there that explains how you are going to weave this, but it's a really simple process. If you just start and you leave a tail on the back end, on either end of your weave, of your loom, you'll want to tape that down. Doesn't matter, about that long is about how long you want to go with it, because that way you have enough room to secure it when you're done. But it's going to be a really easy process. So you just take it and you're going to just go over every single little hole here. And like I said, there's a really great video that's going to show you how you do that. Whether you do it with a loom that looks just like this in the video or with your own one that you create at home. So they'll walk you through exactly how to do that. But you'll just weave it, and then this will be the base. So this will be what you weave your color through. So that's what those two things are that are included. And there's one more thing that's included in your kit. You will notice that there's this bigger needle here. And so this is optional. This is not a necessary piece of the weaving, but it does help because it's sometimes to get the string in and out of the weaving process can be kind of tedious. You might lose it a little bit. So all you're going to do is find the end of this and just thread it through. You'll notice it's a really big opening there and a really big needle. This is just going to be a nice way for you to hold on to the end of it and then to weave through it a little bit easier. If you're doing this with a younger child and this is still a little too small for them, sometimes when we have the program here at the library, we use a craft stick or a popsicle stick or something about that size that's a little bit bigger, and you just tape the end of the string onto it, and then you can use that to weave through. If you don't have a popsicle stick, any kind of stiffer cardboard or paper that's a little bit bigger like this would be great to use as well. So you have a lot of different options. Check out those videos. They're all really great. They're going to walk you through the whole process really slowly, and I'm sure you're going to find lots of useful information on them. Thank you for participating in February Feats. We look forward to next week when we do some hand knitting. That's going to be a really fun one, and then we'll wrap it all up at the end of the month with some wood carving. So again, thank you, and you guys have a great day.